Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you guys got some great upcoming plans for the weekend here. It is October 11th. We got just a couple items here. Actually, one item on the economic calendar today. We got the consumer sentiment for the month of October. So in September, it was at 93.2 on the index, and forecasters calling for it to decline to 92.5, and instead it actually went up to 96. So people are feeling a little bit better so far this month about where things are at. So let's kind of jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up. Dow's up over 400 so far this morning. And of course, what is it? Like it has been pretty much the whole week, is a geopolitical on the China and U.S. meeting this week. So today they're going to wrap up their meeting. President Trump said the good things are happening, so that's creating a lot more optimism on the outlook on what's going to happen today, and he is set to meet with VP Liu He from China, and we'll see how what updates we'll get from that. See if anything really did come through. So they're reporting that China is interested in a partial, but I haven't seen anything about the U.S. side if we're willing to even go with a partial agreement. As a result, they would increase their agricultural products from us. They won't, there'll be negotiation between them manipulating the currency by us not increasing the taxes from 25 to 30% on the $250 billion of goods, stuff like that. So there's some negotiations that are kind of going on right now. Also, it sounds like there might be a pathway for a Brexit exit, without disturbing the markets. There was a meeting held recently between Ireland and the UK with Boris Johnson, and sounds like they've been discussing a path, and it sounds like they think they may have something. So that's creating a little optimism in the UK as well, that there might be a way to exit and have arrangement for both that will satisfy both parties. We do got some Fed speakers speaking a little later today, including one Eric Rosengren, who is one of the three dissenters from the last FOMC on the rate cut. So, of course, investors want to listen to hear what he has to say, and any of the other speakers, especially those who are uh, voting members. So let's kind of jump ahead here, see how the bond market is doing, and it's not doing so well. We closed down about 34 basis points. We're right there at the 25-day moving average, and today we just want to continue that further down. Right now we're at the 100-day moving average. So, uh, we had a price change for the worse, and then today we had another. It just keeps dropping. So with these 2 days, we dropped about 65 basis points. So that's just over half a point, and that could translate to easily easily a quarter to 3/8 of a percent in the rate. So that's the difference in there. So we're at the 100-day moving average. Hopefully the 100-day moving average will hold. It did the last time, as you can see here, back in middle of September. It held, and hopefully this can hold for us and give us a little bit of a push upwards. So again, this whole optimism over China is what's kind of pushing the markets right now. And here's the yields. Yields are being pushed up. We're up to about 1.75 right now, and it's been climbing. It broke above its 25-day and 50-day moving averages. So, again, of course, rates. What does that mean? Rates are higher now. Mortgage rates are higher today as a result of these, especially these last 2 days. All right, folks, that's pretty much a wrap. If you guys look to buy or refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. I am a loan officer, senior mortgage planner with the Pinnacle Home Loans, and we got quite a few different loan programs that can help for many different scenarios. I do help with a lot of planning scenarios with people, get them to think about what is the best for them in terms of there's a lot of different mortgage products out there, and some people may not be privy to all that information, and we may be able to help you to find the best solution for your needs. So please feel free to reach out. You can reach me by direct messaging me or emailing. Email is probably the best. So, and there's my information right there in red. You can catch it from there. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.